Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You sign into the Google account that runs Gemini, then open Gemini chat or profile settings where image is live. Once done, navigate straight to the avatar or image panel, don't detour. You should already have the target image prepared in JPG or PNG and under 15 MB. This avoids upload errors. Make sure the image is cropped and oriented how you want it, because Gemini will often auto-fit the file. Now tap the current image to begin the replacement process. You'll see options like Upload, Select from Device, or Choose from Google Photos. Pick the correct source and select your file. Once uploaded, use the Crop and Rotate tools to center the subject. This matters because Gemini may auto-resize. Make subtle zoom adjustments so important details aren't cut off, and if there's an alt text field, fill it to improve accessibility. After you're satisfied with the preview, press Save or Apply. Gemini will process the image and update the visible avatar or content. You confirm the change and wait for Gemini to display the new image. If the update doesn't appear immediately, reload the page or app. Sometimes client cache masks updates. If that fails, sign out and back in or clear the app cache. These steps resolve most sync issues. Also verify file size, format, and account permissions. Mismatched photo limits or restricted profile settings can block updates. If problems persist, try a different browser or device. Then repeat the upload to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.